Ready to transform your data into a vibrant story? First, open Tableau and connect to your data source. I'm using the sample Superstore dataset. Drag category and subcategory to the row shelf. This will structure our heat maps rows. Next, drag region to the columns shelf. This sets up the columns of our heat map. Now, drag sales to the text in the marks car. Then change the mark type to square. This will create the individual cells of our heat map. Click on color in the marks card. Select added colors. Choose a diverging color palette like orange-blue. Diverging. Set step colors to 5 and check the reverse box. Click apply and OK. If you're not confident in what mark type to choose, use the Show Me tab in the top right. Here you can see Tableau's recommendations. In this case, it recommends a heat map. And there you have it, a vibrant heat map showcasing sales performance across different regions and product categories. Ready to provide valuable insights? Make sure to subscribe for more awesome data visualization tips.